What's going on, beautiful souls? I hope you're having an amazing day today. I just got my run and finished my 10K. Feeling good. I feel like the key is to running comfortably and at pace is creating a pattern, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, and creating a pattern like that and focusing on that. And soon you'll realize the abundance around you, the nature, the trees, the leaves, the beings. And you can run in love, with the heart. But it's all about that breath. First few kilometers, first few miles, you're going to have to get used to creating the pattern, because you're not used to running yet, and you're not used to knowing how to breathe while you run. And so you just want to take it step by step. But the end goal is that you have a nice and steady pace every couple steps. And then breathe out through the mouth. And you'll feel focused, you'll feel fresh. One other thing is, make sure you get your nutrition in. Because if you go with a kind of empty stomach, or you're low on energy, it's going to be harder to focus on that breathing. And you're just going to want to get it done as fast as possible. Like in your mind, like, oh, I want it done, because like you don't have that strength. You don't feel that strength. And especially in the beginning, if you start, you're not going to feel fit. But that's why you go at a slower pace. But you always need to get your nutrition in at least an hour or two before. A fruit, banana, a couple things. Wait an hour or two, wait till it kind of digests, and then go for your run. Otherwise, there's some people out there who just go straight fasting. There's different techniques, but if you want to feel good, I always suggest that you eat something. If you don't wake up as early, you can wait till you finish your lunch. And I know that's probably a bigger meal. It depends on you, what you eat. And then you wait a few hours after that, and then you go on your run, and you'll feel better. Make sure you're not eating too much bread. Find a balance between the fruits, veggies, beans, grains, carbohydrates, so you can get that fuel in. The carbs give you fuel. Don't go overboard, and make sure your body's feeling good. If you ain't feeling good, well, go for your run anyways. Every day we experience a new run. It's not going to be the same as yesterday. So don't hold on to yesterday's run thinking you're going to run just like you ran yesterday. If you had a really fast pace or a slow pace, a new day is a new run. So however your body feels, you need to acknowledge it and take it from there, and take it step by step. If you feel you need something, go eat something. If you don't really want to, so for my run today, I had a piece of toast, peanut butter toast, but it wasn't enough fuel. So I feel my run today I had less energy, but I still try to find that breath and to focus on it. Even though for my last run 2 days ago, I actually had a proper meal, and then after lunch, I went up for my run, and I hit that pace. I went as fast as I can, but with conscious breathing, and it just made me feel so alive. So otherwise, do what you got to do. I just suggest. There's so many times where I went on kind of an empty stomach. I don't recommend it. I got it done. I got the work done, but it didn't feel as good as if I had that nutrition beforehand. So those are some tips. If you're on your running journey, running is a beautiful thing. It forces you to concentrate on your breath, because in meditation, doing conscious breathing, it is so important, because this is our natural habitat. Shitting, pissing, breathing, eating, sleeping. And sometimes humans forget that we have breath. We're just breathing unconsciously. But that's why we got to breathe consciously. Remember, we're just like the trees. We're just like the birds. All they do is live now. And so it's so important. So important. Yeah. So those are a couple tips on this running journey. It is super awesome to be able to run and share this with you from my journey the past 2 years of running. Go out there, get your work in, get your runs in, and stay strong, stay conscious, strictly chosen.
you ready to change the world?